Ethiopian burrito.
Yay, it looks... What up peeps, happy, lo and behold, it's Saturday. I just got home, God, I'm a little bit tired. I just got home from, I had a picnic this morning at the Governor General's house. What her name is, I can't remember. I couldn't film, it was for work, but that's where I've been. So now I'm just at home and I am about to start cooking. I am making some, let me take a seat. I'm so tired. Oh, I'm gonna make some fried chicken. My friend G Money, shout out to you, happy birthday for tomorrow. He's having his birthday celebrations today and I couldn't figure out for the life of me what I wanted to bring. I don't drink, so I thought I'd make a whole bunch of fried chicken for him. So G Money, if you're watching this, I'll know because you'll thank me in person, because you know that I've just spent the last, I don't know, I think it's like 5 o'clock now and the thing doesn't start till 7. So I'm just going to wash and marinate the chicken, and then maybe like closer to the time I'm about to leave for the thing, I'll start frying it so that when I get there it's ready and then we can just eat it. But I'm doing this for you, man. So I'll show you what I'm using and then I'm just gonna do that, and then you'll probably catch me filming again when I'm ready. So that's what we're doing out here. I'm so sorry, I'm exhausted for some reason, so don't mind me. I'm gonna show you what I'm using. So what I've done is I put all my flour, I've made my own flour. So I put all of it in this bag because I had to put my own secret herbs and spices in there. So hopefully it turns out all right. But yeah, usually we make fried chicken. My friend Alma, who you would have seen in my last post, uses this, but I don't know where to get it. I couldn't find it. I needed an alternative because I couldn't just rely on that. We don't have any more. So I got this fried chicken flour from a Korean store at High Point, and then that's just like plain type of fried Korean flour. And if it turns out to be normal flour, I'm gonna be so upset, but anyway, it's okay. Hopefully it works. And then I got this from, I think, Woolworths. It's like a chili fried chicken flour. Didn't I just say that I wasn't gonna tell you what I put in my thing? Anyway, and then I put like onion powder, I put garlic powder, I put cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, you know, just the usual. And then let me turn this around. That's my chicken. I'm gonna wash it and then, and oil to fry. So I'll let you know how I go. So juices.
The Broly villain character, but I haven't watched it yet. I know they were.
It sounds like it's more of your thing than anything else.
And there's no real logical reason as to why, but it is. And I said.
Hi people, okay, well I'm ready now. You guys should all know my bathroom by now. I have cooked the food. I am now just waiting for, I hope you can see me, there we go. I'm just, ooh, whoops. I'm now waiting for Alma to come, and then we're gonna go pick up Yvonne. You guys should know these names by now. We're gonna go pick up Yvonne and she just made a new friend, so we're gonna meet her new friend. And then we're gonna head to my friend's party. So fried chicken just finished. First time on my own, we'll get some real opinions. If they don't like it, well, it's okay. Still a rookie, but I'm ready. Do you guys want to see what I'm wearing? To be honest with you, one of the days of me doing the most. I am wearing, I forgot the brand of this top, but I love it. And then these pants are from Chic. I love them because they're cut off at my ankle, which means I don't have to tailor them. And then I've just got my new Air Force Ones gum sole. I love these. I've been wanting them for the longest time. So, you know, you just have to spoil yourself, guys. All the time. No, but that's what I'm wearing, very low key. It's very hot. It was very hot today, so it was like 27. So we can afford to wear a t-shirt, so yay. Sucker mum, yay. Yeah, so wait for Amel to arrive and then I'll see you guys in the Uber. Yeah, we're vlogging. So I'm just at my friend's birthday. We'll see if we can find him. People who don't understand what I'm doing. In Adam Street. Hi, my dear. Nick, say hello.
What's up? How's it going? We're out here, one outfit. Alonso's birthday, 26. We got the drum, it's all done now. It's been a success. We're out here, 2019, baby. Lini'S vlog.
Thank you guys. Honestly, I could not have wished for a better night. I could not have wished for all my friends and family to be here tonight.
You're 40 amazing people.
Ray is the oldest person here.
Where's Ray?
Ray's the guy in the white t-shirt. Ray is everybody's grandfather. So. Please, as you walk out, some brother. Enjoy the rest of the night. And
Slow down.
This guy's my best friend. You know what he does? Brings people together.
Yes, my dear.
You know? Amazing guy. My man since day one. And we're all privileged to have him in our lives. He enriches our lives somehow, some way.
Yeah.
We all have different relationships with him. And he's an amazing man. You're an amazing man, G.
Thank you.
Love you. That's what
What up, peeps? Happy Sunday. If you guys don't know this walk by now, do you guys even know me? I finished church early today, standard, and then like it was great weather, so yeah. My friend Jimmy and I are about to have lunch. He is off to Canada, explore the world, live out his dreams in the next few weeks. So this is probably one of like the only opportunities that I have. Sorry, I'm gonna keep moving the camera. I hope you can hear me. It'll be good to catch up with him again. I saw him yesterday, but yeah, that's where I'm off to now. So I guess I'll catch you when we're together. How are you, my dear? How are you feeling?
For being alive?
Yeah. Before?
No, but it was packed.
Really?
It was packed with locals, so
okay, let's go after you.
You know it's gonna be better.
Alright guys, so we are now in Footscray. I don't know what this place is called. This place is called Caldi's or something like that. I haven't been here before, but we got some Ingera, and I haven't eaten this type of Ingera before. This is what Jimmy decided to take the lead on this one, so I trust him. But this is what he got, and we'll just grab man. So, can you tell the peeps what this is?
A burrito.
A burrito.
Ethiopian burrito.
Yay! It looks packaged nicely.
Boom.
Rated? Great.
Paxonthebeat.